Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video. I know I'm a bit late, but just doing a bit of things to the car. Nothing too hectic. Just cosmetic stuff, I guess. So yeah, I mean, not much else to say other than that. Yeah, let me just get right into it. Obviously, I did promise you guys some new wheels. So these are BMW individual. I forgot the name, but you can see there it says Eagle F1. Um, very good tires, very good tires. Brand new tires. I don't know. I don't think they are brand new rims. I do think they were used a little bit, but they were fully refurbished. No cracks, no wobble. Fully good for this car. Also, fitment, as you can see, it's like one. Okay, wait. I think it's just because the steering wheel's turned actually, but like, you know what? It fits really good. Honestly, I might not even have to lower the car because obviously it's my daily driver. So like 2 fingers, that's enough. That's more than enough for me. Then I did grills. I've been wanting to do the grills ever since I got the car because it was kind of like the only chrome thing on the car. Then now I also did these things yesterday. I made these black because they had a bit of chips underneath them, I guess. But now an issue is, as you guys can see, it's asymmetrical, right? Wait, let me get a bit closer. You can see it's asymmetrical. That is because I discovered that this lamp has popped out, and the reason for that is one of the brackets or clips, I guess, is bent in on the other side. So I do kind of just need to fix that. But other than that, it's looking fine. No other faults with the car. I've had it for about a month now. I've taken it. Even at like 200, there's still no wobble, no play in these wheels. So I'm fairly happy. In the cold, oh, what is that? Oh, it's just a bug. Okay, I thought that was a dent. Then I think I got one or two more new dents. But other than that, well, there's a couple dents on the car that I'm gonna need to fix anyway. So there's no real loss there. Then the other issue I found is there needs to be a weather strip here, I think. Yeah, and there just isn't one. So I need to fix that. Is that oil? Okay, well, I hope that's normal. So I was gonna do an intake on this car, a cold air intake, you know, because I just like the sound of it. Because I was gonna do an exhaust, but like the Valvetronic exhaust is quite expensive. I think it's 19,500 or something. So I'll do that, but I'll do it a bit later on. Bike is still here. Still got the bike. But yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, cold air intake. So bit expensive. So I said to get a bit more sound, let me do the intake. But I discovered actually better for this car would be snorkels that go inside of here, so you'll still be able to kind of see them, and they provide a bit of performance. But yeah, other than that, I think the rims do look really good. My bad, I'm not doing any like special announcement or whatever the other YouTubers do, but yo, I'm just a guy. But yeah, no, I really do like them. They look perfect with the car. I think it's keeping with the OEM Plus look that I'm going for as well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Well, other than that, I think there's nothing much else to say, except give me some thoughts on those front things. I don't know if I should keep them or whatever. What else? Oh yeah, and give me some thoughts on the snorkels. I don't know if it's a good idea to do it or not, but yeah. Then also I did this thing in the middle, just a little adhesive suede thing. Pretty cool in my opinion. Oh, otherwise in the interior it's pretty much the same. I've been wanting to do a sound system as well because I know it has an amp and stuff, standard. It has a sub in the back, so it should have an amp. But yeah. Other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.